Are you ready to uncover the secret elixir that could revolutionize your health and well-being? Imagine a single daily habit that has the potential to transform your digestion, boost your immune system, and even aid in weight management. Well, get ready to be amazed because today we're diving deep into the captivating world of apple cider vinegar. From its ancient origins to its modern-day buzz, we'll unravel the mysteries and unveil the incredible benefits that await you. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and prepare to discover what will happen if you start drinking apple cider vinegar every day. Number 1. The origins of apple cider vinegar. Before we explore the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar, let's take a moment to understand its fascinating origins. Apple cider vinegar is created through a natural fermentation process. It all begins with apples being crushed and their juices extracted. The sugars present in the apples then undergo fermentation, thanks to the action of yeast. This fermentation process converts the sugars into alcohol. However, the transformation doesn't stop there. Bacteria further transform the alcohol into acetic acid, which is responsible for the distinct sour taste and pungent aroma of apple cider vinegar. This ancient process has been used for centuries to create this versatile elixir. Number 2. Weight management. When it comes to weight management, apple cider vinegar has gained a lot of attention. While it's important to note that it's not a magical solution, studies have shown that incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine may have some positive effects. One of the ways it may help is by controlling appetite and increasing feelings of fullness, which can ultimately lead to a reduction in calorie intake. Additionally, some research suggests that apple cider vinegar may help boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. However, it's crucial to remember that apple cider vinegar should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular physical activity for optimal results. It's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle, but it may complement your efforts in managing your weight. Number 3. Digestive health. Apple cider vinegar has been associated with potential benefits for digestive health. The acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar is thought to play a role in supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. By promoting a healthy balance of gut flora, apple cider vinegar can aid digestion and potentially reduce the risk of common digestive issues such as indigestion and bloating. Additionally, some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may enhance nutrient absorption, ensuring that your body can extract maximum benefits from the foods you consume. However, it's important to remember that individual responses may vary, and it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on digestive health. Number 4. Blood sugar regulation. Apple cider vinegar has shown potential in helping regulate blood sugar levels, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Studies have indicated that consuming apple cider vinegar before a meal can help lower post-meal blood sugar spikes. This effect is believed to be due to the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar, which can improve insulin sensitivity and increase glucose uptake by cells. However, it's important to note that if you have diabetes or any other medical condition related to blood sugar control, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure that any adjustments to your diabetes management plan are safe and appropriate for your specific needs. Number 5. Heart health. Apple cider vinegar has been associated with potential benefits for heart health. Some studies suggest that it may help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. By reducing these markers, apple cider vinegar may contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. However, it's crucial to emphasize that apple cider vinegar should not be seen as a substitute for prescribed medications or treatments for heart-related conditions. If you have any existing heart conditions or concerns, it's important to follow your healthcare professional's advice and treatment plan. While apple cider vinegar may have some potential benefits, it's always best to discuss any dietary changes or supplements with your doctor to ensure they align with your overall heart health management. Number 6. Oral health. Apple cider vinegar may offer some surprising benefits for your oral health. The acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar is believed to have stain-removing properties that can help whiten teeth. However, it's crucial to exercise caution when using apple cider vinegar on your teeth. Undiluted apple cider vinegar can be highly acidic and may erode the tooth enamel over time, leading to dental problems. To safely incorporate apple cider vinegar into your oral hygiene routine, dilute it with water before using it as a mouthwash or applying it to your teeth. It's also important to use it sparingly and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water afterward. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene practices, such as regular brushing, flossing, and professional dental care, is still essential for optimal oral health. Number 7. Potential side effects. It's important to be aware of the potential side effects associated with apple cider vinegar. Consuming excessive amounts or using concentrated forms of apple cider vinegar can have negative consequences. One of the primary concerns is tooth enamel erosion, as the acidity of apple cider vinegar can gradually wear down the protective layer of your teeth. To minimize this risk, it's recommended to dilute apple cider vinegar with water and use it sparingly. Additionally, some individuals may experience throat irritation or digestive upset when consuming apple cider vinegar. It's also crucial to note that apple cider vinegar's acidity can potentially interact with certain medications, such as diuretics or insulin. If you're taking any medications, it's essential to consult with your healthcare professional before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine to ensure it won't interfere with your medications or underlying health conditions. Number 8. How to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine. If you're curious about incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, here are some tips on how to do it effectively. Start by diluting 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. This will help lessen the acidity and make it more palatable. As your body adjusts, you can gradually increase the amount of apple cider vinegar if desired. Another way to incorporate apple cider vinegar is by adding it to your salad dressings or marinades. It can provide a tangy flavor and add a healthful twist to your meals. Just be sure to use it in moderation to avoid overpowering the other flavors. If you're looking for a refreshing beverage, you can mix apple cider vinegar with water, a squeeze of lemon, and a drizzle of honey to taste. This concoction can be a revitalizing alternative to sugary drinks. Remember, moderation is key when using apple cider vinegar. Start with small amounts and listen to your body's response. If you experience any discomfort or adverse effects, it's best to reduce the amount or discontinue use. And as always, if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. That wraps up today's video on the potential effects of drinking apple cider vinegar daily. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. As always, remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.